Hello, my name is Nubia Milena Villamil. Topic: My dream life in 10 years. Today, I'm going to talk about my dream life in 10 years and how I imagine my future. Where will you live in 10 years? In 10 years, I will live in Ibagué. The water will be milder and more pleasant than in big cities. Life will be calmer and more pleasant than it is now. What you will you have? I hope to read it working as a professor. I will dedicate more time to my family and grandchildren. My job will be less stressful and more meaningful. What will your daily life be like? My daily life will be very active and balanced. I will, I will wake up 7 o'clock and go to the gym or do some sport. Later, I will read the books or prepare my classes. At noon, I will have lunch with my family. In the afternoon, I will teach classes and play with my grandchildren. My routine will be here and more relaxed There is today. What place will you visit in the future? In the future, I would like to visit Paris and Mexico. Traveling will be easy and more enjoyable than now. What will you be able to that you can't do now? I will be able to manage my time with some strict shoulders. My life will be more flexible without fixed working hours. How do you think life will be in the future? Cities will be more modern and technological. Jo- Jobs will be more virtual and intellectually demanding. Family relationships will be closer and social life will be more enjoyable than before. That is my vision of my future life. Thank you very much for watching.